Today I will be presenting my 4th grade math lesson over adding and subtracting whole numbers with decimals in the hundredths place. So the students will be able to add and subtract whole numbers with decimals in the hundredths place column while aligning each value and decimal point. Students will then solve 10 word problems. Alright, class, can anyone tell me what we learned yesterday? Maria? Yes, we added in the tenths place. Alright, what else did you learn? Aligning our numbers correctly, that's right, to keep our place value. Now, what is one thing I stressed about yesterday? One thing I kept on, okay, what do we need to do in order to solve the problem correctly? What did I say? That's right, aligning the decimal in order to receive the correct answer. That's right, we have to make sure our decimal points line up. Yes. Now, we're going to take what we learned yesterday and then apply it in today's lesson. Now, we're going to be adding in the hundredths place. So we all know, or y'all are very smart 4th graders. Can someone tell me what place value this is? The ones, that's right. Tenths, and after the tenths, hundredths. That is right. And what did we learn yesterday after the decimal? The tenths. Now, after the tenths, we're going to have the hundredths. That's right, the hundredths after the tenths. Yes. Now, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to share a scenario with you. Now, before I share that scenario with you, I want you to keep these questions in mind while I read the word problem to y'all. So, what were some key terms within the word problem to help us determine whether we're going to be adding or subtracting? When adding and subtracting, what may cause us to solve the word problems incorrectly? What is one strategy to help us solve the question correctly? Now, I'm going to go ahead and read the word problem to you, and I want you to keep those questions in mind, okay? So, you will be saving up for a video game that costs $55.10. Your parents will initially give you $20. You complete your chores you were assigned that week and receive an additional $15.75. However, you need lunch money for the week, so you take out $5. How much more do you need to save in order to purchase a video game? Now, the teacher will, of course, display those questions, write those questions out on the board for her students, and she will go ahead and display the word problem on the board so the students can have a visual representation with the questions that are being asked of them to think about within the word problem. And then after giving her students a couple minutes to answer the questions, she would then go over the questions and see what her students come up with. Alright, class, so I will model for y'all how to add and subtract whole numbers in the hundredths place today. I will then read another word problem to y'all, and I just want you to watch and see how I solve for this word problem. Alright, so Johnny had $15.25 saved up for a new game, but his brother asked him to borrow $10.17. Johnny gave his brother the money. How much money does Johnny have left? Now, I'm going to read the problem again to determine those key terms to help me determine whether we're going to add or subtract. So let me go ahead and read that problem again. Johnny had $15.25 saved up for a new game. Well, had is past tense. So does that mean we're going to be subtracting? I don't know. Let me continue reading. But his brother asked him to borrow $10.17. Now, borrow, that means to give, to take away. That falls under subtraction. Let me keep reading. Johnny gave his brother the money. Well, if he's giving the money away, that means we're subtracting. How much money does Johnny have left? Well, I know I'm going to be subtracting. Now, what will I be subtracting? Well, Johnny had $15.25. So, Johnny initially had $15.25. And in the word problem, he said he gave $10.17 to his brother. So if he's giving something away, he no longer has it. So that means we're going to be subtracting. Now, let's solve this word problem. 7 minus 5, or 5 minus 7, we can't do that. We're going to borrow from our tens place. 15 minus 7 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So Johnny, his new total in his savings is $5.08. Now, the teacher will go ahead and model another word problem with addition. Alright, class. Now, y'all would be assisting me in the next word problem. We're going to work out this word problem together, okay? So here is the word problem. Maria found $2.07 in her pocket. She then picked up another 82 cents on the ground. Maria then found $4.06 in the dryer. How much money did Maria find? Now, what are we going to be doing? What's our first step? That's right, we're going to be rereading the problem. So let's go ahead and read it again. Maria found $2.07 in her pocket. Any keywords we can identify here? Found, okay. So that means that maybe she has now $2.07. Alright, let's keep reading. She then picked up another 82 cents on the ground. So then she has another 82 cents. Maria then found another $4.06 in the dryer. So what does that mean? Any keywords we can identify there? Found again, alright, which means she now has in her own possession. So how much money did Maria find altogether? So what do you think we're going to be doing here? Are we going to be adding or subtracting based off the word problems we just read? That's right, we're going to be adding. Now, how do we know we're going to be adding? Because of those keywords. Now, what were those keywords, John? Found. Picked up. That's right. She now has in her possession. That's right. So, what numbers are we going to be adding together? The $2.07. Now, before I write the next amount she has picked up or found, what are we going to be doing? John? Okay, aligning our decimal, that's right. And by aligning our decimal, what does that help us do? Mary? Yes, that allows us to keep our place value aligned with one another. That's right. So what's the next amount she found? 82 cents. Alright. And what's the last amount she found? $4.06. Now, what are we going to be doing? Making sure. Aligning our decimal and aligning our place value. That's right. which place value is this? The 7. What place value is the 7 in? The hundredths, that's right. Now we're going to be adding all the money she found. Now we can add it this way, all 3 totals, or we can add 2 totals at a time. $2.07 and 82 cents. I would show both these. I'm going to show these 2 different ways to help the students determine that even if they want to simplify the equation to make it more manageable for them to solve, and they would still receive the correct answer in the end. Alright, so let's start here. 7 plus 2 plus 6, 15. That's right, y'all are some smart 4th graders. Okay, what are we going to do? Carry the 1 into the 10th place. 8 plus 1 is 9, that's right. And then what are we going to do? Align our decimal. Bring it down. And then 2 plus 4, 6. Alright. We received the answer, $6.95. Now let's go over here and work the same problem, except we're adding $2.07 and 82 cents. Now let's work it over here. 7 plus 2 is 9. 0 plus 8 is 8. What do? Bring down the decimal, that's right. Then 2 plus, well, we have nothing here, so it will be 2. Our next step is to bring the $4.06 over here because she found that as well. So we're going to add $4.06 right here. I'm going to add that. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. What are we going to do? Bring the decimal down. That's right. 4 plus 2 is, or 2 plus 4 is 6. Now, did we receive the same answer? Yes, we did. And we found that Maria found $6.95. This is laying around. Wow. Alright. Y'all did a great job, class. And then the teacher will go ahead and do another guided practice with subtraction as well. Following the guided practice, the teacher will go ahead and pass out the independent practice mixed with some word problems and some addition and subtraction to help them add and subtract whole numbers with decimals in the hundredths place. The independent practice is similar problems for the assessment given at the end. And then again, similar format, again, solving, adding and subtraction problems with some word problems mixed in there as well. Alright, class, today was a fun lesson. Can y'all tell me what y'all have learned today? Yes, we did learn how to add and subtract in numbers in the hundredths place. Okay, what else? Decimal point, decimal point, decimal point. That's right. And why do we bring our decimal point down? Yes, to help align our place value and to receive the correct answer. That's right. Now, how might we use this in the real world? Can anybody tell me or explain to me? Yes, we use it in money. Now, do we see money in the hundredths place, like with our change? We do. Y'all are a fantastic class. Y'all are a great, smart 4th grade class. Alright, well, let's see what we're going to be doing tomorrow in next math class.